So what we found is that this little spot is actually part of the Toyota group. Toyota Gosei makes airbags and they make steering wheels, and it makes a lot of the internal parts that go, this type of stuff and that and that. And from that, they upcycle into, very simply, stuff like this. More complicated, this which is made from like upcycled steering wheels. These are made from upcycled airbags, dyed of course. So it's a great way to go from there to there, and I just like it, and it's an example of commitment, and it's still part of the Toyota group. The things you find at the motor show. Since we're here, this is the other stuff Toyota Gosei makes, including a skateboard, an electric skateboard that automatically charges. And so this is part of the Toyota group. They make things like that, and I guess that. And so they take this stuff, by the way, that's the airbag for a scoot. And so besides creating that, they upcycle it. Oh, here, interestingly, hydrogen pop-in and pop-out stuff. Toyota, as we know, has made a commitment to all the different kinds of propulsion systems because they believe, and now everybody else is remembering, that things got to go a certain way. So look at that, and look at that, and look at that. So that means that system is swappable for all these things. Oh, you can fold it up. So that turns into that. That's cute. And I came here because of the bags.